Hello, this is Galen Martling. I'm here with Unity Stamp Company sharing a very easy, simple, and heartfelt card for pet sympathy. I am going to make this a flat card. It's something that is part of my goal this year is to try to make more flat cards for easy mailing. And so for this, I stamped everything first. I stamped in black onto pattern paper the big heart background, and I stamped and trimmed using a paper trimmer the sentiment, one of the sentiments, and I die cut onto cream cardstock and pink cardstock, a heart and a rectangle for the background. And now I'm using different hearts, two different heart die sets and a rectangle set. They're all listed here on the video and on my blog, and you can get them all at Unity. And so now this die I'm using is a little bit larger and wider than the stamp, but that's fine. I'm going to use this as a background for the other sentiment. So I really like the pattern paper and stamp combination. You don't have to do this, but I thought stamping on pattern paper is something that we used to do a lot. Now we don't really do it as much, but I thought that maybe a lighter shade like this lime green would work, and I think it does. And so I did that, and I die cut using die cutting machine, everything. And there you go. I'm ready to go ahead and add adhesive and start layering the card. I prepared an A2 size card base, and I cut it with paper trimmer and scored it with a scoring board and a bone folder to just make that card base just right. These are just different ways that you can lay out that panel with all the different layers. And so I chose to go ahead and add that love sentiment right over the center of that heart. So now I use an ATG dispenser for flat double-sided tape. I'm going to add flat tape and glue on all the pieces, and then you'll see I'll layer it all up. You can layer it any way you want. Now, you can also use foam tape. I'm just trying to make mailing a little easier, and sometimes it's more expensive to mail when you use a lot of foam tape. So I am going to try with flat tape this year. So now you just go ahead and layer the background and the heart kind of towards the top there with all the cute paw prints. Now this love I decided to put right in the center of this stamped pattern paper panel. And then you just play with it to get it right before you really fasten it down good. And then you go ahead and place your sentiment. You can use glue as well. If you use glue, just be mindful not to use too much on the paper because it will warp and not look right and won't lay flat. So just be very sparingly if you're going to use glue. I like to do it, but I just try to dab glue dots, just little bits of glue instead of big blobs. It makes it better. Now I just add some cute little white adhesive gems. I got those for Christmas for a Unity gift exchange. I'm so excited. I love to add these to the cards. Well, if you like this, please take a moment to subscribe, like, and share if you will, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.